Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tika. So, I don't know about the title. I'll be a thing that will go on now this. So let me prepare my look self. So, I'll make it short and spicy for here. So don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and leave a comment about that girl there. Yeah? Cause today we're gonna call her Sam. So, me I go nursing school, right? I meet this guy. Him in around 50s. Meet him at the bus stop one day. Him say him always admire me, come I take bus to school. Say him always admire me every morning and blah blah blah. Him leave the same time for go work and whatever. Exchange, me give my number. Even though me I say this man only, me never talk to a man also yet. I say whatever. I always hear say I always believe that age is not a number. That's me. I don't believe them something there. You get me I say? You're 50, from your nice, yeah. But at the first, me never talk to an older guy. So, me never like him like that at the beginning. But him that push on himself to me, so I say, alright, let me give him a chance and see how things work out. He work on iron job, right? So you know him having money and blah blah blah. Him always at travel. When I meet him, actually when I meet him, like 3 days after him that travel go away for work. And him just we are text every day from me meet him at the bus stop and him just say him need for go away for work. For meet him out at the bus stop. The day when him a go away the morning, time I go work and then come home and then go back at the airport. Him need for give me something. So I say alright. That day there. Same time I now I go to school, I go on the bus stop. Him say, let me drop you go to school, blah blah blah. Cause I never know say in workplace they near to my school. I said, alright, cause me I tell say we that text for like 2 days before. And me I said, alright, cool. So man can take again. So alright, cool. The guy in him car, him drive, him would talk and me I watch where me I go, we talk and him take it normal road and me used to and everything. When we reach a school now, him hand me one envelope. So him said, don't look in it until you go in your class. So I say, alright, till you go on it. So I say, alright. Whatever. Let me have go in school, open up the envelope. 500 US dollar. 500 US dollar. So I text him and I say what this for. Him say, when him go away, him want to make sure I'm not in need of nothing, blah blah blah, cause I'm gonna spend a week and whatever. Me take him. I say, okay, thanks. Hey, you know, girl never like man, but girl gonna start like man now, cause money, I never get so much money from one man from I know myself. I don't know my father, so me I say, alright. Remember, me never cute them time then, no, my mom gonna favor stick. I say, alright, whatever. My other best friend at the time, we are call her Sam. So, me never left out Sam in a note when me do. You get me I say? Me and Sam apart for a while and stuff like that before me even left high school and blah blah blah. Meet her to one of my farkers to them. Text her and say, hey girl, whatever. Meet up. We are go shopping. Yeah. After school, meet up, after 3, blah blah blah. We go downtown cause them time to get a shop downtown, cause you know. And me still shop downtown cause downtown have nice things. Yeah, and me I tell her about the man and whatever. Me not tell her about the man from me meet the man, but me I tell her about the man now. Me is a girl, if you know me. You see, once me have something and you're my friend, once me can afford to give it to you, me will give it to you. So, we go downtown, I buy things to myself and I buy things to she. The man did end up going. But me and him still keep in touch, of course. The man end up come back to Jamaica. We make she meet the man. Man carry out. We go movie, we go dinner, we go shopping together, we go everywhere. I not left out the girl none talk. Cause me I say, I'm a friend like that bestie at the time. The man did end up get free retire and thing and she said we close and blah blah blah. She said she wanna go to school too. She wanna come to my school. But she wanna do something else. So the man said, alright. She don't really have it like that, so the man help her out this and this there and there and me help her with whatever the man give me. The man travel often as me say. So when the man gone, you know, after a couple months or whatever, when the man going out, he normally left him house key with me and thing and thing, and me and I normally go over there, go stay, house full of food, man take care of all of my bills, them, school fee, books, nursing equipment, everything, and him help her out too. You get me I say? So, it was like the three away, you get me I say? Kind of better like that. Yeah, so it was like the three away. One day now, I go do my ear closer to her house, and my ear never finished, and it was getting late, and I never had planned to stay over or nothing. Me did think that she'll go home, right? Cause it was me, her, one of her friends, and her child, and the friend child, and the person who do my ear, cause we're over them also. The girl with the baby, which is her friend, I said she got all over to her baby father and thing and thing. So me live at all over, and me that do my ear and me pen closer to where my best friend live. That's where she's from. So I say, alright, my baby my mom baby father, but sugar daddy a come for me, so I can give her a job go all over. So she tell me which part she go and thing. So my best friend end up say she want come at all over too, cause she and her are go over the girl baby father, go stay for the night and blah blah blah. Then we'll go back tomorrow, then fear family house to go finish me here. So I say, alright, no problem. Simple as that. Man come now, what are we going in him car? We are chat, we are go down. When she tell me which part she go, it was closer to the guy house. You get me I say? So I say, alright, let me out first, cause me not plan to go over the man house that night. So I say, let me out first, then you can let her off, then you can go home. Instead of to carry me back on, no, and then I have to end up carry me back, come up here, so, and then you have to end up drive go back down there to go home. So me I use my little heart and say, alright, let me out first, and then let off them, and then you go home. Cause me trust them, you get me I say? Me never have a reason not to. So now, him let me off. I say, alright, call when I reach him. Cause him normally call when him reach him, and I text him something like. Couple minutes after, him say him inside. So I say, alright, it was late as I say. So I say, alright, me I go to my bed. Tomorrow I talk to him. Him say, cool. The next day, I go back at the family house. The girl, she never come. My best friend and the other girl, them never come. But I didn't know if time we go back down there. I don't remember the reason why them said them couldn't come here. So I go back down there, I finish my ear, I come back up pretty early. It was a Saturday. Normally on a Saturday, me and my sugar daddy, he will normally take me out to get like colognes or anything that I wanted, or if I needed something for school, anything like that. We just normally just say Saturday is our day. Saturday and Sunday is our day because he work hard during the week. So he mostly see me at night time. He may carry me go to school in the morning. Sometimes he may carry lunch for me, and sometimes he carry me back. But I mostly see him in the night when he come from work. So he may stop by my house, I will talk for a little bit, or he stop by my house, pick me up, and I go by the house. I'm 19 at the time, and this man at 50 odd, you know. Him is a genuine, he's a really nice guy. Guys, him all, but him nice, yeah? And I never love him. I love him for the person he is, but I wasn't in love with him, but I was actually like starting to catch feelings for this guy. Because I said him really care about me, and him do stuff for me where me young too, and I said nobody never do them things there for me or offer to help me in a life or nothing like that. Whatever. And I said, alright, me safe it can work. You can grow to love somebody. How you hear people say that? You can grow to love somebody. So he might treat me good, so I said, alright, cool. And you know the money good, so good girl now left this money. So next day Saturday, I go do my ear, come back. Him come pick me up, we go Kingston, we do look shopping as usual, we chat, we laugh, we have lunch, whatever. We I come back. In the car now, my bestie call me. Your boyfriend beside you? So I say, yeah, he's here. Give him the phone, I want to talk to him. So I say, okay. Handing him the phone. Him the pan. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. And me back the phone. She hang up. So I say, oh, that sounds so. You know when somebody like them can't talk around you, like them want to see somebody can't talk around you. Yeah, so that's why son. So me not bother paying no mind because I say me never have a reason not to think. Me never have a reason to think anything else. She call back in the next 5 minutes. Tika, when you come older, but stop out of juice beef and make your boyfriend go home. Me and you go talk and then whatever. I say alright, cool. I live like 2 minutes walk from the town, so I never have no problem. Cause I just stop out there and then walk go home. Stop out there, reach out there. Long story short, we did it. She say, she never end up go by the friend baby father house because he never did it. And she asked him if she and her friend and the baby can stay by him house for the night until tomorrow when the baby father come back. I tell you, he's a nice guy. Him say yeah. Them never tell me that. Him never call and remember him did come back and tell me say him reach home. Him never tell me that story there. You know. Tell me that the part then just tell me say him reach home. So I say okay cool. Cause I not think of nothing. So but me that still think why would they tell me that? So she say anyway, him give her one room and him give the friend one room cause what if a room in her house. And in the night she hear the door open and when she look him come inside and him start touch her up and him never have on her clothes and blah 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 and them end up have sex, long story short. Without protection. So this is my best friend and my boyfriend that I was falling for, my old man. I'm like, okay, I was so shocked I didn't even say nothing. I just call him and say, yo, we need to talk, so meet me at my house. Remember I tell you I live like 2 minutes from the town, yeah? I start walk like mad blood click, girl, you know. She start walk back at me because she said she want to hear him say that story because she don't want him to tell her life and I blah blah blah. So by the time before I reach my house, I see him, I come. So we jump in her car now, jump in her front, you know me with my attitude and she jump in her back. Me I say, oh you never tell me all of them things that were going on last night and you and her sex and blah blah blah. I say, she fling herself to me and she tell me say you have other man and you have man a Portmore and you just use me and blah 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 and she can love me and she can give me where you not gonna give me and I tell her I say no, I love you but she keep on a push on herself and a rub up on me and I couldn't resist so I did end up just so me cause him like dog, cause she like dog. Slam door come out cause me try to hear this side of the story cause two different things them a tell me. She a say him a say a she. Anyway, to want to sleep together, that is it. Long story short, it end up say she the jealous of me in the end and all the things that the man a do for me. I remember me tell you now. If the man give me 50, me give her some outright. If the man give me money for go shopping, me carry her back on me. If we go for a movie night, sometimes we carry her. If we go for dinner, me carry her. Me do over the man house for weeks when he gonna foreign, the girl dead. We share some deep things. If a man a look me tell this a girl, yeah. She a go say it's because she did feel like say me did a talk to somebody where she used to talk to. Where she did a deal with. That person who she talking about is my family member, best friend like this. I know the guy from me around 9-year-old. You get me I say? And whenever them in a problem, the two of them run come to me. Cause sometimes she come over my house come stay. And when she and him in a problem, cause I know where I live, in come and me come park up and she now come up come talk to him. So me I was have to be the one to go out there to talk to him and them something there. So I guess she get jealous over them things there and if you know some know him long time and then carry me go party and them things there. Me don't know how the girl get that in her head. But at the end of the day I just know say she just finally admitted say it was jealousy. And you know say after this guy did this thing to me, I have a soft heart, I take back the man. I take back the man, not because of money or anything, but me I tell you say he's a really nice guy. And I get to realize cause honestly me da hear things about this girl before. Cause her best friend before me was my cousin. And my cousin did tell me how she did stay. But just because my cousin did stay kinda weird too, it did really hard for like to say alright, cause she did kinda worrying my for me cousin. So it was like and my cousin did put me in some real batty hole too when me I got school. Even though we never got same school, but we live like neighbors. We were neighbors. So me and my cousin was bench and batty. And she made me know the girl that was my best friend. And she and I did fall out, and me and the girl they end up turn best friend. Cause the girl is she's so manipulative. She will tell you things and you believe it. And she tell me all kind of things about my cousin, but too many don't know. So my cousin kinda yeah me say alright, I true she a tell. But me end up finding it out for myself. I say who can hear how feel. And me take back this man. Me take back this man, and it come like every time this girl hears me and this man go back together, she try to push up back herself on the man for the man stop talk to me. She have this, she obsessed over me, and she tell the man that, she tell the man say oh she jealous, oh me and him stay, and oh him give me everything, and me not for do nothing to get it, cause this wasn't even at the beginning it wasn't even a sex thing. Cause me never did give the man sex. How long the man ever cuss me and say yo, he might give me everything and me not give him nothing if me not love him or if me not like him like that. And me I tell him say yo, me just meet and at first me I talk to one older guy and blah blah blah. And so till me just end up giving. And he was my good boyfriend for like a year, 2 years. And me I say yo, the man do that, she and him do that, and me still end up take back the man. The man come and him apologize. And she come and she want to be back my friend, and me take back the girl as my friend. And him still end up do the same thing behind my back, and I well at the second time him actually tell me. And me just say you know what? It doesn't worth it. It no matter how much money I give me, cause I say this man pay my school fee, him give me lunch money every week, buy my grocery, everything. The man the all I move out and live by myself in a gated community to all this man that take care of me. Me not short and nothing. Me not shorter. And the man gets so obsessed over me. The man was so obsessed over me. So she me tell the man say yo, me really seriously and done. The man say he gonna kill me. The man tell me he gonna kill me if him can't have me because he spend how much money for me. And that was one of the reasons why I did end up going Barbados. So I said this man is really serious. Even when me and the man start talk, night time when me I come from school, the man will park out of my gate and wait for me. And me and the man not there. My mother will call me and tell me say yo, the man out the door, I'm not there in my yard. And the man called on my phone 20 times. He was always jealous from the beginning. But you see the day when I tell the man say yo, I really eat this, and him say I'm really serious and I'm not give him a third chance, the man just decides to not give up. But I did end up left him, and I end up stop talk to she, and she still a try to be my friend up to this day. And I never do the girl no, the girl did just bad mind me and my life, and I was such a good friend to her, and my mother never like her from morning. My stepfather never like her from morning. The parents them always see a fake friend them first. I imagine me bringing this girl in my relationship, but it's my fault. But to me, I say me and her come from far before me even know the man. Is not me not go drop her now because me are elevating her life because of this man and just push her to the side. Me say me I bring her along, and if me can help her out in any way, me help her out. And when the man give me money, me tell her so me give the girl money. Me buy one blouse, me buy her one blouse. I buy her one spray, I buy her one spray. She come on my yard for months. She not buy groceries, she not do nothing. I just man I take care of me and me I take care of she. Right through. Period. And you turn when you sleep with the man behind my back. And you know why she end up telling me that day? Cause when she sleep with the man the night, the man say after him sleep with her, in the morning when she wake up, she say she want 50 grand. She said she want 50 grand. And the man tell her no, the only money him have because he's a really like, I don't know if I call him, but him schedule. Him make money, you know, but him pencil out him money, him paycheck and all of them things there. So him have me in him budget. So and him only keep money upon him when him actually I go want for the week. And he tell her I said the only money him have, I forgive me. For go to school for the week and think and them man they give me money. I'll 300 US me I get a week. For just to take care of myself and go to school and them some money. Man budget out, me get me health card all time, own work, out of film, own name and all them something the man they treat me good. Man still treat me good, up to this day. He's still my friend but we're not nothing, we're just friends. And I get over that and I look past that and I say, alright, I say I want to be your friend because you were really nice to me. And I say, alright, cool, we can always be friends. But to get back together, that will never happen. Because I gave you a chance, and you took a mile. And I gave you a next chance, and you nearly make me drown. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. I'm not gonna make it up my third time. And from that, I just... And then I end up go Barbados. And then when I end up go Barbados, you know him can't get to me like that. So I guess him feelings them just and him and the girl did out here fuck and I go out with themselves. So till him just drop her like a heartbreak because he never interested in her from morning. Which man I go refuse pum pum, by the way. Like, if a girl a fling her right now to all my wise up and thing, if a girl a fling her on herself and for me man, take it. If my man know if a girl a fling on himself pan her, if a girl a fling her for herself pan him, take it. Cause you have some hoes who will just always be hoes. And them now go want a man until the man see a woman. Till them see the man with a woman and so some woman stay. But she was just down, ready eye and bad mind. And now, I see what my cousin did I talk about tonight. Cause so, after a long story short, I saw my cousin did say she sleep with her man. And I saw them did end up fall out. And I know what next girl where she do it. And she still do it up to this day. She's still doing people that up to this day. But yeah guys, that's my story. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. 2021, your girl Tika is back. Always keep safe, keep positive. I'm out.